Hello everyone. My name is Isuru. This is Melbourne Polytechnic Network Architecture and Protocols Assignment 1. In this assignment, we have to download and install virtualization software such as VirtualBox or VMware. In my case, I'm using VMware vSphere client. And after we install and configure VMware, we have to download and install VoIP servers. We have to use two VoIP servers. I'm using FreePBX. Here are the ones I've configured. After that, we have to demonstrate connection between two VoIP servers. We have to use a soft phone. I'm using Zoifer. Now I will show you how I configured my FreePBX servers. After you install FreePBX servers, then you run it. Then you get an IP address like this. This is one server, and this is the other one. You can use this IP address to log into their web interface. This is 112 web interface. Once you log into the web interface, you have to create an extension. We go to applications, then extensions. Then this is the extension I have already created, 3806. You go to add extension. Make sure you select pjzip extension. Select that. Then here you can put an extension whatever you like. In my case, I've used 3806, and display name, I put my name here. Then you can change this one to something easy. I used root as my secret password. Here's my configurations for the extension 3806. After that, we are going to create a zip trunk. Go to connectivity and trunks. Here, add trunk. Here also you have to select pjzip trunk. Add pjzip trunk. Then you can give it a name. In my case, I have given it zip1 to zip1 as my trunk name. Here you have to put a matching pattern. Since my extension is 3806, so it starts with 3, and the rest of the numbers are 0 to 9. So I put 3x's here. So that's that. After that, here it's pretty much everything is default. This is my zip1 trunk configurations. As you can see, I use 3x's here. Make sure in the zip as a zip server, you put the other server IP address here, and as zip server port 5060. After creating a trunk, we need to create outbound route. We go to route, add outbound route. Then this is my configuration for that. I gave it zip1 to zip2 as name, and make sure you put dial pattern as same as the one you put in zip trunk, and you don't have to worry about this one. These are pretty much the same. Then we go to the other server. This is 116, and got the extensions. Here I have created 3805 as the extension. Same configurations. You give it a name, and rest of that is the same. And then you go to trunks. I named it as zip2. Go to edit, and here I also define the pattern. In this case, you have to give the other server IP address and same port address. Then you go to outbound route. You add an outbound route, and this one is called zip2 to zip1. and dial pattern is the same as before because I'm using 3000 extensions in the 3000 series. So that's pretty much it for configuring pre-PBX servers. Next we can jump into how we log into Zapier. This is I already configured this for 3806 and this is 3805. You can download and install Zapier soft phone. Then I'll demonstrate you how this works. You type the extension 3806 here, and when you dial it, you can see call is right here now. So yeah, now call is in progress. Unfortunately, I couldn't get an clear audio out of this one because my server wouldn't output an audio. Now I'm about to show you how to log into Zoiver. Let me go ahead and delete this account. So this is the initial login window you get after you install Zoiver. This one is 3806, my extension. You type your extension 3806 in my case, and at 192.160 you type in your IP address 192.168.1 dot, in my case it's 112, and password is root, the one we changed before, and then you click login. Next, you skip all this. Make sure you select zip UDP. After that, next, and now you're all set. So yeah, this is your account now. If any call were to come through, it will show here. Let's call from this extension to the other one, 3805. As you can see, there's a call. There's an incoming call now, right here. If I answer, it will show the time. Time is running now. So yeah, I'm gonna drop the call. Okay. Even though I couldn't get an output from those Linux clients, I managed to install Xavier for Windows and one to my phone. So this one runs 3806 extension and my phone runs on 3805 extension. I'll show you how once I place a call, you can see the audio. So we're gonna go ahead and dial 3805 extension, 3805, and dial. As you can see, there's an incoming call right now. Hello, test 1 2 3. So as you can see, connection between two servers are a success. That's it for the assignment. Thank you.